According to the HSE, around 7 workers die every year in accidents involving vehicles or mobile plant on sites, and a further 93 are seriously injured. This video will demonstrate the dangers of 360-degree excavators and the importance of observing exclusion zones. The exclusion zone is the full radius around an excavator working on site. The red zone, indicated here, is the area where the operator's vision is severely restricted. The amber zone is the operator's line of sight. This is the safest zone for approaching the excavator from. Always signal to the operator and receive a positive response before entering the zone. Thumbs up. From inside the cab as an operator, the vision is very poor. You can't see 100% around you, so there are huge blind spots. One of the biggest dangers are site operatives and other trades entering the work zone, unaware how limited the vision is from the cab. Do not walk past or stand within the radius of the excavator at work. Doing so could lead to severe and possibly fatal consequences. As the excavator is operating, the counterweight on many machines will extend beyond the tracks. Never stand next to or walk past the rear of an excavator at work. To avoid being knocked down, get the thumbs up. And don't let this be the last thing you see.